Food Centre Wales offers a range of practical and technical support for a range of companies, from pre-starts to new business starts to existing food businesses. We work with these businesses on a range of services, very practically focused, to help new companies get started and help existing companies on a range of issues that they may face in running their food businesses, from factory design to new product development and anything in between.
Well, we're very fortunate to have a manufacturing facility that's quite comprehensive. We've got a fully licensed FSA cutting plant for cutting meat. We've got extensive dairy facilities that go from raw through to finished products that cover everything from cheese making, butter making, ice cream making, and then further processing areas for cooking and adding value to products. I think one of the key things is that all of the equipment we have here is entry-level industry commercial size. So if somebody starts on a small scale, they're then able to scale up onto a larger scale without changing the process, which is key to then not changing the product and maintaining the quality of the product.
Without the help of Food Centre Wales, we wouldn't have a clue what we were doing. They have been incredible for instilling confidence in us, good working practice, and the confidence really to sort of think about setting up on our own and just being able to try this idea without having to go to a huge expense at home to sort of set things up without having a clue what we were doing. It's been a process, it's still a learning process, and we still learn lots from them and gain a lot of help from them.
Our food technologists act as mentors for our food businesses. So they work with many of the businesses that we work with from their initial concept development right through their process design, develop new products with them. So they're with our clients every step of the way, holding their hands as they develop and grow their business. Our approach is very much one of knowledge transfer. So the knowledge and expertise our food technologists have, we ensure that we impart that knowledge to our clients as we work with them. It's about working alongside our clients and ensuring when we've worked with our clients that they feel they have the knowledge and expertise to be able to go and further grow and develop their businesses.